Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to hide any shipping method when specific or multiple product categories add in cart page in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page. Now you see ceramic bird. So this is from ceramic category, and then you see candle product. So this is from candle category. And then you see shipping flat rate free shipping. So we are going to hide shipping method free shipping when specific or multiple product categories added in cart page. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. So we are going to add custom code. After that we are going to remove WooCommerce shipping cache. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. So in custom code we are going to add product category slug, and then you see add your custom code, so click on it, and then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. Now create custom snippet section, open, and then you can add title, and then you see code preview. Now paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. And then you see category slug array candles, so you can add one or more than one category slugs according to requirement. Now go to product category, and then you see product name, and then you see slug. So we added this slug candle. Now you see, now back to code, and then you see method ID shipping free shipping dot colon free underscore shipping colon 28. So this is our shipping method ID or value. So you can add shipping method ID or value according to requirement. Now go to cart page, and then you see free shipping, right click on it, and then click on inspect element. So we are going to find out value or ID for shipping method. Now you see input type radio, and then you see value of free shipping colon 28. So we are using this value in custom code. So you can add value according to requirement. Now go to custom code again. Now you see candles. If you want you can add more category slugs. So this is our array like this comma. So we added comma. Now copy this and then paste. And then you can add category slug according to requirement. So it's up to you. Now remove again, and then you see free shipping colon 28 we added. Now scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. So after that we are going to remove WooCommerce shipping cache. Now go to WooCommerce. So we are in shipping zone. Now disable, and then click on save changes. So after that we are going to enable again. Now enable, and then click on save changes. Now settings saved. Go to cart page. Now close this. Now you see candle edit. So this is our candle category. Now refresh the page. Now you see free shipping remove because we have candle category. Now remove it. Again you see free shipping. Now undo, so click on it. Again you see free shipping remove. Just only you see flat rate. So you can add category slug and shipping method value according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.